With the election coming to an end and the Supreme Court rendering its verdict, it will seem the Kenya Kwanza Brigade affiliated to President-elect William Ruto have now turned their attention to the 4 IEBC commissioners led by IEBC Vice Chair Juliana Cherera. This is after the Farmers' Party affiliated with the President-elect William Ruto's Kenya Kwanza Alliance has petitioned the National Assembly to initiate the removal of the 4 dissenting commissioners IEBC who disputed the August 9, 2022 presidential results. In the petition filed by Chege and Sang Company advocates, the Irungu Nyakera-led party wants the 4 commissioners, Vice Chairperson Juliana Cherera, Justice Nyagaya, Irene Masit and Francis Wanderi removed over, quote, gross violation and breach of their oath of office. On August 15, 2022, the 4 commissioners dissociated themselves from the results declared by the chairperson, Wafula Chebukati, indicating that Ruto had won. The Farmers' Party held that the conduct of the 4 was meant to frustrate the will of the people, hence they are unfit to hold office. Nyakera said the conduct of the 4 was reckless, selfish and devoid of the national values of patriotism. The 4 commissioners extensively accused Chebukati of sidelining them in tallying and verifying of results. The Farmers' Party, however, holds that the 4 were hell-bent on causing anarchy and should be made accountable. The 4 had moved to court to the Supreme Court as an extension of the petitioners who were seeking the nullification of Ruto's win, but the court ruled that they failed to prove their case satisfactorily.
We note that apart from their 11th hour denunciation of the verification and tallying process and their averments regarding the conduct of the chairperson, the 4 commissioners have not placed before this court any information or documents showing that the elections were either compromised or that the result would have substantially differed from that declared by the chairperson. They have not explained why they participated in a verification process when they knew that it was opaque.
After the court's verdict, the 4 welcomed the ruling and vowed to stand by the rule of law. Garissa Township Member of Parliament and the former National Assembly Majority Leader Aden Duale is also advocating for the removal of the 4 commissioners whom he insists must be held accountable for their actions. If the National Assembly considers the petition and gets satisfied the 4 commissioners violated the Constitution, the House will forward the petition to the President, who will in turn form a tribunal to investigate the allegations. After the investigations, the tribunal shall report on facts and make a binding recommendation to the President, who shall act in accordance with the recommendation within 30 days. With the Kenya Kwanza Brigade having the majority as proved in the recently concluded elections for both the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker positions for both houses, it will seem the fate of the 4 will lie in the hands of the legislators of the 13th Parliament.